Hey guys, it's your girl Midlife, and it is 4:07 right now, where I'm at. So I'm waiting outside for my trade thing, because I get to get back either. I just come out around 4 o'clock, because we're all coming outside. Well, as you can hear by the sound that's making the roof, it's rain. It's freaking raining outside. Freaking raining. Like, I was not expecting to get to rain, so I have my hood on. Yeah. I'm outside. I was gonna sit in my tree and record a vlog for y'all, but I can't do that right now. It's freaking raining. Like, legitimately raining. I climb up into the tree, recording right now, like I am right now. But it's freaking raining outside. Anyways, so yeah, I've been going on and on about raining. Alright, stop. It's like sprinkling, and it's really right now. It's freaking raining. And I did not like that. Freaking rain. I don't like rain. What? How did that even happen? Oh. Freaking raining! Yeah, I'm bugging with my phone because I couldn't buy my vlogging camera. And as you don't know, I really always vlog with my phone. So, I was going to vlog with my vlogging camera. Couldn't find it. Y'all wondering what my hair looks like? It looks like a freaking mess. And I forgot a new brush. I didn't tell you all this, but my other one broke. My hair is an extreme mess. Hey, guys, stopped a little bit. Still gonna wait to get into my tree because that means the tree's gonna be slippery. Like, part of this thing right here was wet. My outfit's gonna get wet. Outside, I have my charger out here. I would have been inside watching TV, but I didn't want to. Well, I just stay out here outside. I wanted to show you my pumpkins for all of y'all who watch My Hero Academia. Also known as Boku no Hero. So, I don't know if y'all watched my maid's video. I had an Art of Adventure Day, and I was doing a vlog for that day. And then, well, after I stopped the maid's video, I found this pumpkin. I went to the pumpkin patch. I found this green pumpkin. This pumpkin reminds me of Midoriya. Because it's small. It's green. Hey, look. Look, it's Midoriya. And then, from Bakugo right there. Giant pumpkin right here is Bakugo. So yeah, I'm vlogging while I'm walking around. I'm using my phone, which means I can't flip it. I'm gonna do that. That road. So the rain stopped. The rain has finally freaking stopped. I'm sitting in the road right now. Preschool. Which means now, this is freaking muddy. Almost muddy. Ah! My little tree! My tree! My tree! My tree! There is the street, Cemetery Road, at the corner of Cemetery and Walker Street. We got mail. You know, it's probably already been checked today. Empty mailbox. Empty mailbox. I'm vlogging. There's a car coming. I don't know what I'm doing. So, vlogging, walking down the road. Africa almost dropped my phone. Walking in the water. So, yeah. The car looks at me. I don't know what I'm doing. I look like freaking Bedoya right now. If Bedoya lived where I live, you know how it's like hair, like those dark parts of his hair that look black? Well, I have those parts, but there's what parts of my hair, and my whole hair is black. I was thinking about dyeing my hair completely green, leaving like some spots still black. Just look like Bedoya. So I also went to the fair. Saw some cosplayers cosplaying. It was Bakugo, Kirishima, Todoroki, and Deku. They were also vlogging. They were vlogging, and I wasn't in the vlog, but I saw them. I wasn't vlogging for the fair though, because I was told not to, and also like my YouTube channel is very secret, and no one knows I have one. And if you know me personally, and just subscribe to my channel. Do not tell anybody in my family that I have YouTube. Please. The videos are cringy. I haven't gone through any of the comments yet. So I'm walking in my backyard right now. I'll leave my charger behind, because my phone's good for right now. Yeah. So freaking muddy. Y'all hear my footsteps right now. Like, yeah. Vlogs, am I right? Did anybody else see that? That's storage. Well, go to my backyard. I don't even want to go to my backyard right now. I'm just walking around because I'm bored. If only y'all could see what I'm seeing right now. Well, I'm freaking bored. Too bad I can't do, too bad I, can't record the games I'd be playing for y'all guys. Start my own gaming channel. I might start a gacha channel if I do. If I do start a gacha channel, the first video I'd post is the OCs that I'd make, up. So, yeah. I'm gonna take my hood off. I'm gonna take my hood off right now. Freaking hair's a mess. I want y'all to put the weather where y'all live in the chat. And, it's 4:15, my phone's freaking wet. Judge me, I use nothing. Everything. Okay. Also, garbage. So, how I live in a Pina leopard. I'm sorry, I gotta brush my hair. I brush my hair right. It should look good. I gotta brush my hair. I'm using my camera as a mirror, so I can see what I'm doing. Since I have it on, I can see myself. And it's officially been 9 minutes. So I'm gonna watch me doing this for a while. Freaking guy watching me right now. A transparent, some kind of transparent figure watching me. Yeah. It's creepy, but I don't know. Can y'all see that? And, the top of the water, fine over there. But there's a certain part of it where it's just moving. I might do a video about this the supernatural stuff going on around in my house. Like, I'll be in a separate video. I'm not going to do that in this video. Well, see y'all guys in the next video. My hair still looks a freaking mess. Hold on. Let me fix my hair first. I don't want in this video. My hair looks like a piece of crap. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, frick, I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone in my jacket. Bye, guys. See y'all in the